In this issue of Packaging Review, the spotlight is on machinery and automation. CAMA Group is at the forefront of redefining best practices in secondary packaging. They are incorporating digital control enhancements and packaging industry-specific robotic technology to optimize their processes. These advancements demonstrate the ongoing commitment to innovation and efficiency within the packaging industry. At the Interpack event held in May, SOMIC introduced the forward-thinking chorus system. This system is designed to collect, group, and align products efficiently, representing a significant step towards the future of packaging technology. Alongside this development, SOMIC also unveiled a new generation of SOMIC 434 machines, further solidifying their position as leaders in the industry. Trempac's primary objective is to better serve its customers and the broader market, and is using machinery and automation to achieve this. Trempac recognized the need for specialized packaging solutions for fresh and prepared foods, especially in the modified atmosphere packaging arena. For more on this, see the latest issue of Packaging Review.